These 5 investments can completely change your life forever. They can give you the momentum to move from struggling to real financial growth in just a couple of years. Just like the millionaires and the billionaires became successful without lottery and without magic in a no time. You too can become successful in just a couple of years using these 5 investments I'm about to review to you. I've spent 6 months studying and researching these investments, and in this video I'm going to break them down simply so that you can understand them, start them, and use them to build long-term goals. The first step is the by far most important but most overlooked. Stay with me to the end of this video because you're going to learn a lot from this video. Now, there are 4 main ways human beings generate income. The first is by employment. Here you exchange your time, your effort, and your energy. So if you stop working, the money stop coming. Number 2 is what we call the self-employment. Here you own the idea, you own the skills, but your time is still the engine. So no work, no income. Number 3 is business. This is where systems are built. Okay, you provide value, you hire people, and let structure and knowledge work for you. So this is where many millionaires are found. So number 4 is investment. This is where your money and your knowledge work for you. You earn through financial literacy and smart investment decisions. And this fourth category is what this video is all about. So let me break down these 5 investments that you can start learning and you can start using no matter your age or your income level to improve your financial future. So number 1, stock and shares investment. A share is simply an ownership in a company. When you buy a share in a company, it means that you own a little part in that company. And a stock is a collection of shares, which means that if you buy a share of Zenith Bank, MTN, and Dangote Cement, it means you own a stock portfolio. If the company performs well, your stock value increases. And if the company performs poorly, your stock value decreases. The goal is simple. Buy good quality companies and hold them for a long time. So the Nigerian stock market recorded a return of about 51% last year, and it is one of its strongest performance in history. And a lot of people are quietly making millions in the Nigerian stock market. This is what you and I can do. And one of the things that you need to know is that the stock market is not a get quick rich scheme platform. So come with a long-term mindset. Now to start investing in the stock market, you need to use a brokerage app, a SEC certified brokerage app like Africa Investor 2.0, iInvest, Invest Nigeria, ARM1. There are a lot of certified app out there that you can use to start investing. And do your own research. This is not a financial advice. Number 2 investment is money market mutual fund. Money market mutual fund is a subset of mutual fund. The goal is to pull money from different investors to buy a diversified mixed instrument such as bonds, stocks, bank deposits, and every other securities. Now, there are different types of mutual funds. We have the equity mutual fund, the balance mutual fund, the Sharia mutual fund, and the money market mutual fund. So money market mutual fund is one of the low risk investments that is mostly recommended to investors. Here, your money is invested into a low risk short term instrument such as commercial papers, treasury bills, bank deposit, etc. So with as little as 5,000 naira, you can start investing in money market mutual funds. Stanbic IBTC, Carrywise, Mary Stem Fund. Now, your principles are safe, unlike the stock market or the equity mutual fund. So after 15 or 30 days on some platform, if you choose not to continue with your investments, You can choose to terminate the investment and your principal will be returned back to you. Now, number three investment is a fintech app. So if you have Opay, you have Money Points, you have PalmPay, CarryWise, Piggyvest, and your goal is just to store money and do your daily transaction on this app, you might be leaving money on the table. This app allows you to save your money with them and they pay you interest up to 10 to 20% per annum. So instead of leaving your money in your regular traditional bank account, why not move this money into these fintech apps and they pay you interest for it? This is one of the safest, this is one of the simplest and easiest way to build wealth. So number four investment is the FGN savings bond. A bond is generally a loan you give to the government or a corporation, and in return you receive a fixed interest payment. It's more like a promise. They tell you to loan them any amount you have for a period of 2 to 3 years at a percentage of 14 to 15% per annum, and they pay you quarterly till the maturity date. It is a low risk investment, unlike the stock market and the equity mutual fund. And with as little as 5,000 naira, you can start saving in the FGN savings bond in Nigeria with apps like Africa Investor 2.0, Stanbic IBTC, Meristem, or CarryWise, and any other SEC certified app. It happens every month, and the one for the month of February is currently open, so you can take advantage of it. So number five investment is the treasury bill. Unlike the FGN bonds, treasury bill is a short-term instrument and it is for short-term investors, and it has a duration of 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. So one of the things I love most about treasury bill is that you can choose to withdraw your interest upfront, or you can leave your interest and withdraw it on the maturity date. You withdraw your interest and your capital on the maturity date. So unlike the money market mutual fund and the FGN savings bonds, the minimum you need to invest in all of this is 5,000 naira. But in treasury bills, if you go to the secondary market, which is the brokerage hub, you can invest 100,000 naira. But if you are going through the primary market, which is the bank, the minimum amount you need is 50 million naira. Some of these commercial banks are doing it. So if you have your 50 million at hand and you don't trust the brokerage hubs, you can go through your bank to invest in treasury bills. So you can start your investment using apps like Stanbic IBTC, Africa Investor 2.0, CarryWise, and every other SEC certified app to start your investment in treasury bills. Whatever age, whatever season, whatever category you are right now, there is an investment for you. And there is no doubt that everything that I just explained in this video, that if you start working on them and start putting them to work and start investing in each of these investments, that your future self will not only thank you but love you, and your old age will be sweet. And also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's a way of telling the algorithm to push my channel. And if you want me to make more videos like this, drop your comments on the comment section. See you in my next one.